Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I have a very interesting wig for you guys. I have two of them actually, this one and I have a straight one also. I'm not too sure how the straight one is gonna turn out, but for this one it's kind of cute. Okay, but before I even before you guys see how interesting it is, I have to go into the whole cap construction and how it's made, because this is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. So this is by Zury Sis. It says here transformer cap. Really a transformer cap, right? She's called Mega and I have her in the color 1B. Now, okay, you can wear it as a half wig. You can wear it as a half up, half down. You can wear it as a U-part, and you can wear it as a ponytail. So there's 4 different ways that you can wear it, but they're actually showing you 5 back here. Okay, so they're showing you as a full wig. I think that's the way I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing it as a full wig, half wig, U-part, half up, half down, and ponytail. Okay, so basically when you get this wig, let me explain the construction. So it's made up with, it looks like a half wig. Okay, like straight off the bat it just looks like a half wig, but there's a U part that's kind of cut out. So on the top of the U part you have a clip, not a comb but a clip, and there's 4, you see those hooks that you get on the adjustable straps? That hook, you have 4 of those attaching that U part to the rest of the wig, and then the rest of the wig has 2 clips up top, on the sides, 1 clip in the middle, so you can literally take it out and wear it as a U part. And you have a comb at the back, like a regular comb, and you have a drawstring. So the drawstring, once you pull it, it cinches everything in, so that way you can wear it as a ponytail, so it goes all the way up the drawstring. So it's very interesting. The rest of the cap is just like a regular cap construction, but guys, I thought about taking it out, taking out the top part and clipping it the other way around, and then I thought to myself, that makes no sense. All I have to do is just okay, 1 second. Okay, I almost went blind for a minute, but anyway, all I had to do was just pull some to the front and trim it, make it into a bang, and that way I can wear it as a full wig. Now I decided to wear this as a full wig because, as you guys saw up front, my hair is braided down really tightly all the way back, and I don't feel like taking it out. It's very convenient for my hair to be braided like this because I have to review all these wigs, so I just thought I'll leave it like that instead of taking it out. So that's why I wore this as a full wig. Like I said, I don't know how I'm gonna wear the second one because the second one is a straight here, so I don't think I'll be making it into any bang. Maybe a half wig. I don't really want to wear it as a half wig because, you know, I get half wigs all the time. I wear them as headband wigs. That's the only thing I can do right now. I'm probably not gonna wear it as a U part because I'm not gonna take my hair out and flat iron it over it. Half up, half down, no. Ponytail, no. So I don't know, we'll see. When we get there, we'll see how we're gonna wear this straight one, but for now this one is very interesting. Let me show you the stock card, by the way, because you guys need to see all the different styles that they show you with this wig. So this is it, right? Let me open it 1 second. I think the pictures are bigger on the inside, so you guys are able to see it a little bit better. So it shows you here half up, half down. This is a U part wig. This is what is this? Full wig? I don't know, I can't see. Oh, this is a half wig and the other one is a ponytail. So yeah, this is 4 different ways that you can wear it, and it shows you how the cap is. This is when you take out the little piece, so you can take this piece out and just have this U part right here. I think this is really cute. It gives the whole half up, half down pony wrap thing some competition, because I mean, this is different, and of course Zury Sis came out with it first. I just know it. They come out with a lot of things first. But anyway, let's see how the straight one looks. So far I'm really liking this one, and I think it's because I'm able to just cut it into a full bang and I wear it as a full wig. I think that's why I love it so much. But let's see what's going on with the straight one. Like I said, if you guys would like to purchase this, the link would be in the description box down below, so you can check that out along with all the other colors that it comes in, because it comes in other colors as well. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so keep that in mind. And this wig can fit any head size, so you don't have to worry about your head being too small or too big. It can fit any head size, literally. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to purchase, the link would be in the description box down below, so check that out. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in my next review. Bye.